In this video, I'm going to reveal why you are hurting your business if you are not using Instagram stories. And I'm going to help shift your perspective of it just being a fun social media tool to one that can attract a loyal following. I'm Amanda Horvath, and I'm all about helping business owners and entrepreneurs leverage the power of video without breaking the bank or taking up tons of their time. So if you're looking to use video in your strategy this year, but you don't know where to start, then be sure to subscribe and click the bell to be notified every time I release a new video. Personally, I am very consistent on Insta stories, and because of that, I've been able to experience firsthand the benefit of it. Whenever someone doesn't know where to start with video, I always recommend starting with Insta stories because it truly is the best place to start when it comes to online video. In this video, I'm going to dive into the 3 reasons why that's the case so that you can decide if it's right for you. By the way, if you do not already, you should definitely follow me on Instagram because I am obsessed with Instagram stories, and you can see how I personally am using the platform. The first reason why I absolutely love Instagram stories is because there is no strategy required. When you share your day-to-day life with your audience, they start to pick up naturally on who you are and what you stand for. Your audience will automatically see your hustle because, let's be real, you're grinding every single day, and by sharing this with your audience, it starts to form a super authentic and real connection with you. And people buy from people, not businesses. Because of this, I highly suggest that the business owner becomes the face of the Instagram stories. Now, they don't have to do this on the business account necessarily. They could do it on their personal profile. So I put together a guide that walks you through this decision of which one is best for your business. This guide also walks through different ideas that you might want to consider if, say, you don't want the founder to be the face of your Instagram. The second reason why it's awesome is because it helps you get comfortable on video. I cannot tell you the number of times that I've sat down with business owners and the first video that they ever create is the most important video for their business, usually a brand video. Now, this puts a lot of pressure on them. What I love about Instagram stories is it helps you ease into the world of video and get comfortable on camera with absolutely no pressure. It's only up for 24 hours, and you could even delete it right after you post it if you didn't like it. It also helps you develop your unique, authentic voice. When you're sharing your day-to-day life, you're going to be in your natural environment. You're not in front of a camera with big lights like I am right now, and you are able to just kind of be. So if you guys watch my Instagram stories, you can see that a lot more of my personality tends to shine through in those than it does on camera here. However, it helps me when I'm in front of the camera right now be more comfortable and help bring out my personality. And it will help you do the same. One other thing I want to note here is that the bar for Instagram is super low right now, and that also relieves a ton of pressure. When you're flipping through your Insta stories, you can see that everyone is using just their iPhone, and usually they're kind of crappy. So the bar is super low. Next week, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how you can make your Instagram stories better. So if you haven't already, hit subscribe. Reason number 3, daily access to customers. As you know, as a business owner, the more disconnected you are from the day-to-day activities of your business and from speaking to customers, the more disconnected you become from their unspoken needs and desires. By getting on Instagram stories every single day or however often you want to, you are having daily connection with your customers. And this can help you clarify your message and even discover new verticals for new products or services that you might not have considered before. Are you convinced yet? Go ahead and drop your Instagram handle in the comments below, and I would love to support you on your journey. And as always, if you found value in this video, go ahead and tap that like button and share it with one of your entrepreneurial friends to spread the good word. I'll see you in the next video.